It is known that during sneezing, the body involuntarily closes the eyes. Common belief among many people is that, if a person sneezes with their eyes open, their eyeballs will come out of their head. Unfortunately, this belief is false. According to doctors, it is possible to sneeze with the eyes open, and there is no danger of them popping out. However, according to doctors as well, the body closes the eyes during sneezing to protect them from germs and spray that may come out during the sneeze. So, what do you think about this information?